Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register for Sling TV with a new account step by step clearly. Visit the Sling TV website at www.sling.com. Look for the Get Sling or Sign Up button on the homepage. Click on the button to begin the registration process. You will be directed to a page with different subscription options. Choose the package that best fits your needs. Once you've made your selection, click on the Continue button. You will be prompted to provide an email address. Enter a valid email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password for your account. Re-enter the password to confirm it. Once you've filled in the required details, click on Continue. You may be asked to verify your email address. Check your inbox for a verification email from Sling TV. Click on the verification link in the email to confirm your account. After verification, return to the Sling TV registration page. Now, enter your payment information. Fill in your credit or debit card details as requested. Make sure to include the billing address associated with your account. Review your selected package and payment information for accuracy. Once everything is correct, click on the Submit or Continue button. You should see a confirmation page indicating your account has been created. Finally, you can download the Sling TV app to start watching your favorite channels. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.